You're watching News Leader 9 with Cheryl Renee and meteorologist Greg Majewski.
You're looking at a live picture from our Alpha Insurance Skycam atop St. Francis Hospital. And Greg, since every day of the week gets a name at this time of year, can we call it Torrential Tuesday?
Torrential Tuesday. Yeah, we had a pretty good torrential downpour there about 10 o'clock. But what we're seeing is what we're expecting with the showers, what I call like hit and run. They hit, dump real fast, and then they move on out. So that's what we're going to be dealing with for the rest of the afternoon.
More coming, in other words.
More coming. We'll show you on the radar here in just a second. Let's see what's trending with the forecast. And here's what's going on. Showers and clouds for today. And it's going to stay unseasonably mild. And we'll show you why that's the case for the week ahead. And we're still looking at some weekend rains moving in here. Unfortunately, the frontal system is not going to move all the way through. It's not going to bring in that cold snap, as we're just not seeing the situation setting up for that. What's going on is that we've got this ridge of high pressure. It's going to be building into the southeast. This big trough in the west. So it's going to stay nice and cold out here. In fact, Denver's high temperatures by the time they hit to Thursday will be in the single digits. That's how cold this air mass is coming down. But the jet stream is going to the north. So with this ridge down here in the southeast, it's not going to move in. So this front's going to try to come on in, and it's going to end up stalling and not really move on through. So we're not going to get this cold snap, at least not this one. What's going on right now on the radar, you see the rain here into Russell County stretching all the way back over toward Union Springs over near Montgomery. And this is heading in our general direction at about 35 miles per hour. So we're not through with the rains just yet. You'll need the umbrellas this afternoon. Probably have some residual showers around for the evening rush. Now looking right now at the current temperature at 60 degrees, 64 down at Benning, 60 in LaGrange, 57 degrees over into Auburn. Satellite radar showing the rains we had initially. We had a nice little downpour that moved on through just a few, around 10 o'clock or so. There's that one, just went on through. And we'll see some more of this come on through. We'll zoom on out, wider perspective. You see all the clouds across Alabama and Georgia. There's that little batch of rain that's going to come on through. And really, if you look real hard, it looks like a bit of a boundary setting up in here. I almost saw like a warm front reforming here. This is going to be moving off toward the north. And with it, we're going to see warmer temperatures. Futurecast showing this what's going on. We're going to erase that out of here. We'll see a chance of a scattered shower or two for tomorrow. I think it will be a diminished chance tomorrow, not as much as what we're seeing for today. Then we're going to start turning our eyes back to the west as we're going to see this cold front try to move on in. Ridge of high pressure down here. Here's the cold front. Notice the winter precipitation back behind this front. That's very frigid air. This front will not make it all the way through. In fact, it'll probably stall across North Georgia, then start to move back up to the north as that ridge is just not going to break down for it. All right, here's our forecast for today. Still looking at some showers. Temperatures right around 67 degrees for this afternoon. For tonight, a mild night once again. A shower or two not out of the question. We'll see overnight lows down around near 56 degrees. And as we head for the next 7 days, we're going to warm it up into the mid-70s. Only 20% chance of rain for Wednesday, 30% on Thursday. And overnight lows, you see, warming into the lower 60s. That's what our normal highs are supposed to be for this time of year. And as we head for the rest of the forecast period, heading into the weekend, it's going to stay unseasonably mild, folks. We're going to be floating with that record low maximum probably for Thursday or Friday. That's when it's unseasonably warm for overnight low temperatures. That's what we're going to see on Thursday and Friday. Should cool off just a little bit, but we're not going to get that cold snap in here, at least not this round.
I kind of wish we had a little bit of the cold.
Not just yet.
It is December.
It is December. I think the pattern may change a little bit heading toward the middle of next week, but that's still 10 days away.
All right, Greg, thanks, Mike.
Okay.